In order to develop your reading skills, we recommend becoming familiar with some important reading strategies. The reading strategy we are analysing in Module 1 is called skimming. We use this strategy to understand the general idea of a text, not for the specific details. How do we do it? To skim read, we read the text quickly and identify the key words or phrases. Key words are words that provide the principal ideas in a text. It is not necessary to read every word or to understand every detail of the text, only the main idea. Let's practice. You have 30 seconds to skim read a text. Identify the key words and phrases in the text that give you the general idea. Read the text and identify the important words or phrases to help us answer the question. Let's look for the key words or phrases together. Leave my house. Arrived. Check my emails. Make calls. Organize meetings. These give the idea of what the text is about. Now we have identified the key words, we can use them to answer the question. What is the text about? A. A work routine. B. A vacation. C. A meeting. That's right. The correct answer is A. A work routine. Now you know how to skim read, let's try another. Read the question and the text. Identify the key words or phrases. What does Gabriella do for most of the afternoon? A. She eats lunch. B. She makes calls. C. She attends meetings. That's right. It is C. She attends meetings. Read the question below. You now have 30 seconds to read the text. Select the true sentence. A. Lucy does not have many things to do in the morning. B. Lucy has many things to do in the morning. C. Lucy has a relaxed morning. The answer is B. Lucy has many things to do in the mornings.